we're on board P&O Iona, and this is the room service menu. And this is the Rise and Dine menu, which is obviously the breakfast one. Now, you can have breakfast in your cabin. It is complimentary, the breakfast. You get to choose, I'll put this on the screen so you can see it better, but you get to choose orange juice, apple juice, pineapple juice, that sort of thing, yogurts, fruit, cornflakes, cereals, and some muffins and things like that. And of course, bread and butter. You just basically write the number of what you need in each box. So if you want 2 croissants, 2. If you want 2 pan of chocolates, 2, that sort of thing. And then you can have it delivered in 30-minute increments between 7 and 11. Put the number of people, the cabin number, the date you want it, your name, and you sign it. Now, there is a £2.50 delivery charge, which I don't think that's too bad if you fancy breakfast in bed. But it is minimal. It's not bacon, sausages, that sort of thing. It is just pan of chocolates and no coffee, which I thought that was just kind of a shock. I would expect a jug of coffee or some tea. So I was a bit shocked at that. But that, you just do that, write that, and then pop it on the door before 10 o'clock on the evening for the next day. So they get them in there. There's 3, and then the room steward will replenish them if you've used them. Now, we have a full room service menu. They are chargeable. Right, so again, I'll pop it on the screen so you can read it. There is a £2.50 delivery charge on top of whatever you buy. You can have baguettes, you can have wraps, you've got children's sandwiches, there's some small plates, large plates, healthy options, some sides, and some slight sharing platters too. And then they've got the nighttime nibbles and the daytime bites as well. It does tell you here when they're available, which is 11 AM to 11 PM, and this one's 11 PM to 7 AM. So this one goes right through the night. Again, you know, you've got roast beef baguette, baked ham baguettes, brie and cranberry sauce, and then your small plates, you've got Greek salad, chicken liver pate, chicken tikka masala, what's that? Spicy red bean burger, and these are £5.95 each, along with the £2.50 delivery charge on top. Seems a tad pricey to me, you know. When it comes to sort of a baguette or a wrap or any of the sandwiches, you know, if it's cold, to me, if you're likely to need that, why don't you just pop up to the buffet, take a couple of food bags. I mean, you know, we always bring the food bags. In the afternoon tea, they've got sandwiches, salmon sandwiches, and they all look quite nice, you know. You can go and take your food bag up, grab a couple of sandwiches, and bring them down and put them in your fridge. You know, they'll stay fresh until, you know, later on when you come back after an evening on the drink. You know, again, if you wanted a beef burger or anything hot, there is the midnight buffet. That finishes about 1:15, I believe it is. I'll pop that on the screen as well, the times. So, room service, I don't think is overly needed, truthfully. You know, you can go and grab some bits from the buffet for later, and you can nip up for your evening meals, evening nibbles after your night out. If you want some drinks in your room, they do sort of spirits. You can have a full bottle for £44 of their own gin that they do, and their own rum that they do is £37. You can buy a full bottle of Bacardi. That's my go-to drink. It's £29 for a bottle, and that's a litre bottle. That's pretty decent, really, that you can drink in the cabin. I mean, obviously, a bottle of Bacardi in the shop downstairs, you get 4 for £50. So, you know, they're only, what, £12.50 a bottle, and they're selling it at £29. But you can drink that in the room at £29. You're not supposed to take it out of the room. You are supposed to drink those in the room. Your soft drinks, where's the bottles? Oh, I'm missing that. Can't you get Coke? Oh, that's a bit strange. You can't get Coke. Oh, it's there. Yeah, same price as in the bars. Coca-Cola or Diet Coke is £4.20 a bottle. So I think that's quite decent that you can get a bottle for your room. Yeah. Again, I'm imagining there'll be a £2.50 delivery charge on that. it doesn't actually say if there's a £2.50 delivery charge on the spirit section. The food section, it's clearly here. So yeah, there could be a £2.50 delivery charge, there might not be on the drink section. You just call down to room service and order what you require, and hey presto, they bring it up. Yeah. What do you reckon to that? You can have your own bottle of Bacardi in your room. Think that's a good idea or not? Now, they never actually took it off us when we actually brought it in port, so, you know, you shouldn't open it, but they never took it off us. And I actually carried all 4 bottles in a bag like this, scanned my card, come back in, and, you know, I didn't hide it. It was there if they wanted to take it. They didn't seem bothered, and it wasn't just me. Everyone was allowed to bring it on. Whether or not, if it was, because we didn't buy this until Cadiz, I think it was, so that would have been day 11, I think, of the cruise. I didn't buy anything on day, what would be day 3, the first port day. Whether or not that day they took it off you or not, who knows. If you buy it in the duty free downstairs, they don't give it you until today. So there you go. Anyway, let me know in the comments, do you use room service? Would you buy a bottle for your room? I think it's quite a decent idea myself. Anyway, give us a thumbs up, and if you would, hit that subscribe. It's just down here. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.